folks? Welcome back. In today's video, celebrating Easter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's educational. Alright, continuing on. Right there's the gravy, folks. The gravy's done. Folks, the turkey is done. Looks so delicious. Alright, folks. April's going to show us how we celebrate Easter. Get the Easter baskets ready. It's an idea on Easter.
What? No, you can put grass at the bottom, but I don't like it. It makes a mess.
Okay, but it's fun too sometimes, eh?
Yeah. There's this big pink one. These big ones over here are the teenagers, 3 teenagers.
Yeah. So very interesting.
They like barbecue.
I mean, very educational.
This is just stuff they like to eat. I don't like all the chocolate and stuff anymore. That's
it's not really healthy, eh?
No.
Yeah.
So we'll just put
but it's good to sometimes for celebrations.
That's the little baby. Our baby right there. Our little 9-year-old.
Oh yeah, that little baby gets a special treat.
Stuff like this is good.
Yeah, just showing you guys how you can celebrate your Easter with your kids, folks.
Just things your kids like to eat.
April got a lot of goodies here. Look at that in there. We'll show you all what we got when we got the baskets ready.
One girl wanted this.
What's that?
It's face cream.
Oh, that's a special.
That's a special one. Yeah.
Request. Oh, the basket's looking good already.
Girls,
just missing the grass for the mess.
Look at it. It up all over.
Oh, getting some.
We'll do about 5 each. 5 Smarties each.
Smarties. This basket's full already.
You know, jeez. Oh my goodness.
It's gotta
top it
fit
up.
it in.
Squeeze it in.
This basket would have been down good enough. We're trying our best to get the baskets filled.
And some of these candies I have left, I'm gonna Easter egg hunt. Remember?
Oh, you're doing the what's the reason why you're doing the baskets? Just a gift?
Just when they wake up.
And
Easter treats.
Easter gift.
Yeah, they're
and
Easter
then
gifts.
And then how are you gonna do the Easter hunt?
I'm gonna hide like candies like this. I'm gonna show them a few things.
Oh, okay. Just
I don't like to I don't like all those eggs. Buy all those eggs. We have lots of eggs for nothing. Nobody likes the eggs, so I got them candy that they like.
Oh yeah.
Or treats that they like, you know.
Yeah.
Not just
like the quality treats that they're gonna eat, right?
Yeah, that they're gonna eat. Yeah. You don't need to buy all that stuff.
Like cheap ones, they don't eat it.
They don't like those, you know, all those eggs. It's good to buy maybe 1 or 2, or even these Kinder Surprise eggs. These are good.
Oh, these ones here, look, folks, these are good.
$5 a box. That's not bad.
She got that. She got a special gift for the baby.
That's baby. Yeah. She picked that. She came shopping. She picked it.
Yeah. Oh, baby's. Pick that. Tori? Her name's Tori?
You gotta stop and do it for your kids. On days like this, you gotta stop what you're doing. They're gonna have these memories all their life.
Yeah. Stay home and watch your kids sometimes.
Like 2 for $5, see?
Yeah.
Stuff like that's good.
Nice.
They like to chew on stuff like that.
Yeah, continuing on with the Easter baskets. Here's one. This is a nice style of a basket. A little small.
That's a good one, yeah.
And here's a bigger one.
And that one I had from last
year. If
year.
you wanted more treats.
I saved it.
Yeah. Here's a big one. I like. What about this one's perfect?
Yeah.
They're both good.
I even got these. You can fill these with
see.
your eggs.
What's the name?
Stuff like this.
Yeah.
You fill them with
These
your
are
eggs.
quality ones, eh?
Yeah, you can fill them with eggs now.
Oh, you fill them with you buy little eggs and you could fill them in there. And you put
It's not quality. It's just some like extra food.
Oh yeah.
So even gum they like.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a cat. What's his name? Aki. Our new cat.
Aki.
Aki. Yeah, the candies are coming along.
Holy mac. That's looking pretty.
April's a very good shopper. What's this with your family? Like traditional, April?
Well, us we do
You guys always did this? Every Easter? Growing up?
we got Easter baskets, but we did egg hunts.
Yeah.
They give you baskets.
Yeah.
Already there's some candy in there, and then you go run.
Oh, they give you some candy, then they hide some, you get more?
We eat pies and homemade breads and stuff my granny young makes. Holy.
Oh, you guys used to always celebrate the holiday, yeah?
Yeah, so I think these ones will hide, right?
Okay, that's for the Easter hunt, folks.
Yep, the rest is for the Easter hunt.
So the Easter hunt concludes these products. You also can what? Put these in eggs.
Just use an egg.
And you can, they usually put money in one egg,
We usually put money in
and
the
whoever finds it wins the money and gets to go to the store, buy some treats.
money they hide, yeah.
Like $20 or something. Yeah,
Last year they hid money, remember? It was fun.
yeah. Sometimes the brothers in your family, they put like $100, eh?
Yeah, someone will come, Ruby,
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
Ruby or Lee or someone will put money.
or Ian.
You
Yeah,
know.
yeah. Okay, folks, we'll have a look at this basket here. This one here, got all the treats.
Babies.
There.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the first basket. Here's a second small. This is a small basket. He's got
That's
some
for
candy,
11-year-old.
pretty much the same.
11-year-old.
11-year-old.
Looks like she's.
Right there. That's where the. And here, continuing on. Same thing in this basket, pretty much.
Tara.
And then there's another one.
Tara. That's for the 17 and 16-year-old.
Oh, lots of good treats. Oh, look, another big basket here.
It's really long. No, Taylor.
Oh,
Okay,
can I have the chips?
That's not good idea. Only about 5. Only about 5.
Another. This is a perfect basket, eh, bro? I think kind of large.
Yeah.
Fits all the treats.
That's a lot of candy.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like much in the box,
Yeah.
but that's lots.
All right. There's the candy. Easter basket for celebrating Easter,
Okay, you cleaned up the mess, Michael.
and there's for the Easter hunt. Idea how we make our Easter baskets, and
Can you show them how we're gonna get our turkey ready?
then I'll show you the turkey. It's gonna go in the oven.
You know how we prep it.
How we prep it, and it's an idea. You can also celebrate this way with your children. This video is educational. How we celebrate Easter, traditional way. All right, let's get the turkey in, folks. Folks, celebrating Christmas. Continuing our video. Huh?
Easter.
Christmas.
Oh, I mean, folks, celebrating Easter.
There's a real stuff.
Keeping it real.
I wish you guys could see all the bloopers from all the movies. Oh my
Yeah.
God, man.
Okay,
Wow.
continuing on. All right, I'm always thinking of the next step, what to do next. That's why I forget a lot. What do we have to do next? What do we have to do this? And then I got too much products in my head and I forget.
You need to wipe
Just
it
writing
dry.
their script.
You need to pat it dry. Just use this.
Okay, well, this pot is dry.
All dry all over.
We'll use our
Even
clean
that
towel.
Juice. You need
Okay.
it all over.
Well, I'll just put it in like this and then I'll pat the back.
Pat it and
Okay,
then
go on
turn it around.
the turkey. Keep on the turkey. Yeah.
All dry.
Why is the reason why we're patting this?
We want the butter and the poultry seasoning to stick to it.
Okay.
Okay, oh, you can do the backside first? Okay.
You gotta wipe your turkey really, 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 really good. Don't forget that. That's a very important step. You gotta wipe it all that from thawing out all the water. It's gotta be wiped down really good, like 100%.
Okay, now put the rest of the butter. Lots of butter is good. See?
Oh, now your butter can stick.
Yeah, I told you.
That's really important. Rub your pat your
all that butter.
pat your get all now the
Good.
yeah, you get it. Yeah.
Okay. Now. It smells so
Oh, you can just leave it like that, no?
good. If you want, but put some.
You rub it a little bit like this. Yeah, that'll be good like that. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, like that.
Wow, gorgeous.
Because you don't want to rub it around,
Yeah.
it'll go away. Yeah.
Wow, you passed the test.
Now I'm learning.
Put all the rest of your butter in there, cause
Yeah.
this is what's gonna keep your turkey juicy.
Yeah. Celebrating Easter, folks.
The butter.
Continuing on, we got the baskets. We show you how we did the baskets. Now we're showing you how we did that.
Okay, now we're gonna add a cup of water. Wait,
A cup of water.
maybe a half a pitcher.
Yeah, the key is, the most important thing is to pat your turkey down really good, wipe it down really good with a towel
Paper towel. So
or paper towel to get it nice and dry.
so you can throw it away.
So the butter will stick. That's the number one key. And then you put your seasoning on. Yeah, one cup of, or just put.
A Harley Quinn cup.
Yeah.
Our baby's favorite actor. Harley Quinn.
As long as you put in the bottom, right?
Yeah,
And you get
want-
lots of water from
you
the
have-
turkey.
You don't put lots of water because you want the flavor of that turkey when you make your
Yeah.
stuff.
And there'll be lots of water from the turkey, yeah?
Yeah, there'll be lots of water.
The moisture from the turkey.
That's probably perfect. One of
Yeah.
these cups is just right.
Yeah.
That's about 2-3 cups.
Yeah.
Okay, now
2.5 cups.
Cover it, Michael.
To 3 cups. All right. Let's get the tin foil on. Right here.
We're gonna cook it for about 4 hours, nice and slow. Gonna keep it nice and juicy. Even
At what?
4.5, about 350.
350 for 350
4 hours, nice and right.
375.
Oh, 350, I said.
Yeah, 350. She said for 4 hours. That's how my dad used to cook it, she said. All right, continuing on. We'll get the turkey. Is that set good, Abel?
Yep.
Okay. We put our rack on the bottom. Our rack's on the bottom.
You say put 350.
Okay. That's why you put 350, because it's lower to the bottom. All right.
When we're done that, we'll put our ham later.
And then we're celebrating our we got a ham here too, folks. Clean our pot here. I'll show you.
Oh, this looks the ham. Well,
This is the ham we got.
Taylor.
And teach us about this ham, April.
Now you're gonna cut it open. This too, you're gonna pat it dry.
Okay.
Then you're gonna put the glaze on. This is this is like a sugar glaze, brown sugar glaze.
Hickory smoked ham right there up close. And then we'll just tell you about this, how we're gonna do it for folks. April will
We're just gonna take it out, pat it dry like that.
pat it dry and put it in a pan, a roaster.
That's gonna keep the juices.
And then we're gonna, when we put this with it,
You're gonna
or
glaze
after?
it, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna glaze it.
Just warm
Okay.
it up. It's cooking.
And you put a little bit of water.
No.
You don't need water for this?
That one you just gotta warm up because
Yeah.
it's already cooked.
Yeah.
You just want to warm it up and get the glaze on there, stuck on there, like sticky enough to stick on there.
Okay, so April says you unwrap it, then you pat it down really good to get it dry, so your glaze will stick. just like our turkey, and cook it at 350. And your ham's already cooked. When it comes in, it's cooked already. All you gotta do is get it nice and really hot.
Most of them are.
Yeah, most of them are, she said. So, cook your ham really good, yeah. Wow, wow, folks, the turkey is done. Looks so delicious. Look at that. I almost forgot to show you. I took one leg off. But look, wow. The buttered turkey. And the ham too is delicious. What's this called again, April?
I think it's like a brown sugar maple glaze.
Brown sugar maple
really
glaze.
Slow on 200, then I basted it move first.
Yeah.
Then I use this. This gets thick as you baste, cook it, then I went like this in
Oh,
between.
okay. Nice.
And it got thick as it.
What was the temperature on?
Oh, it was like 250.
250,
really
and
low.
how long you cooked it?
About 20 minutes. Just
20 minutes? 30 minutes would be good too?
Just till it's steaming, yeah. I just didn't want to make
20
it
to
raw.
30 minutes.
It's really good.
And she's making the gravy now? How are you going to make the gravy?
I used all the turkey drippings.
The turkey juice.
I added about 3 packs or 4 packs of turkey juice.
Okay, turkey juice from in here, folks. She put in here.
Then I add these as it gets thick.
And then she adds 3 of those.
For now, but
For now, but you might need a couple more just till your gravy is thick. And we got potatoes on. Yeah, celebrating Easter in this video. Hope this video is educational. Yeah. All right. Thank you again, April. Hi, folks. Okay, folks, the gravy's done. That's how it looks. There's the ham. And there's the turkey.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Yeah, thank you, Lord, for bringing us together and making an education meal.
You're keeping us together.
Right there is celebrating Easter. We have ham and mashed potatoes and gravy and stuffing and our turkey. Yeah. You could also put cranberry too also. All right. There's the education plate. All right. Bye for now. All right, folks. That concludes our video celebrating Easter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was educational. Thank you for watching.